Often overlooked, these small things can actually make a girl fall deeply for a guy, even if she has just met him. So if you're a guy who wants to win a girl's heart or are in the process of getting closer to one, you must pay attention to these things. Many men don't realize that simple actions and behaviors they exhibit can attract attention and make a girl feel more comfortable and interested. Here are 6 things that might seem trivial, but can make a girl feel at ease and always want to be close to you. 1. Wearing fragrance. Did you know? According to a study in the United States, a man's body scent can actually influence a woman's attraction. Researchers even discovered a theory that women who are attracted to a man's scent might be more compatible as partners. Biologically, it suggests the possibility of producing healthy offspring. Additionally, women can detect a man's testosterone levels by his scent. One study found that women who are in their fertile cycle are more attracted to the scent of a man. They consider a man's scent as something sexy. So, don't underestimate the importance of body fragrance when you're trying to impress a girl, especially if you're single. It's crucial to pay attention to your scent every time you leave the house. It could be the very thing that makes a girl suddenly interested in you. 2. Listening attentively. Girls love to feel heard and appreciated. When you show attention by listening to what she says, it's not just showing empathy but also valuing her thoughts. When she feels listened to, her confidence increases, and she'll feel more comfortable around you. You don't need to offer a lot of commentary or solutions. Just be present and listen attentively. 3. A genuine smile. A smile is a universal language that conveys a lot, including comfort and warmth. When you frequently smile genuinely while talking or being around a girl, she'll feel more relaxed and happy. A genuine smile also shows self-confidence, which is very attractive to many women. Without you realizing it, this simple act can bring her closer to you. 4. Respecting time and commitment. A girl will feel more appreciated if you respect her time and commitment. For example, showing up on time for a date or giving her your full attention when you're together. Respecting time shows that you're serious and not taking the relationship lightly. This makes her feel special and more likely to want to spend more time with you. 5. Accepting and appreciating her imperfections. Everyone has flaws, including girls. When you can accept and appreciate her imperfections without criticizing or trying to change her, she will feel valued and more comfortable around you. Appreciating her for who she is will make her feel safe and secure, which in turn makes her more attracted to being around you. 6. Small acts that show thoughtfulness. Sometimes, small gestures like holding the door open, offering a jacket when it's cold, or bringing her favorite snack can make a big difference. These simple actions show that you're thinking about her needs without being asked. She'll feel valued and cared for, which makes her more comfortable and eager to stay close to you. Although these 6 things may seem trivial or simple, they can have a huge impact on your relationship. Often, it's not just the big gestures that build a connection, but the small acts of care and attention that make a girl feel comfortable and more drawn to you. So from now on, start paying attention to these small things and watch how a girl will feel more comfortable and want to stay close to you. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful.